Identifying modeling issues such as duplicate elements or disconnected pipes and sprinklers is easy with MicroBIM Fire. The Model Check tool finds modeling errors that cause costly fabrication and installation problems. You can fix the errors manually or automatically. MicroBIM Fire modeling tools such as Auto Connector make the revisions easy and accurate. The Adjust Open Ends tool automatically finds pipe ends and modifies the length to your specifications. Using the Adjust End Length tool, you can quickly find and adjust fittings and outlets that are too close to pipe ends for fabrication tolerances. MicroBIM Fire provides tools inside Revit to quickly and efficiently identify and clear clashes with other building systems. You can manually adjust the model, or our automatic solution tools can provide options to clear the conflicts found.